Guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Google Chrome account. So as you can see, we are on our Google Chrome homepage, and what we're going to do is come up to the top right hand side and press these three buttons here. We're then going to come all the way down and press on settings. We're going to come over to the left hand side, make sure you and Google is selected, and then we're going to come and press customize your Chrome profile. So as you can see, you can now change the name of your Chrome profile. So mine is currently called Test. So I'm going to rename it Guide Infinity. There we go. You've then got the option to choose a theme color. So you've got your blues, greens, oranges. I'm going to go for pink. And as you can see at the top here, that has already changed for us. You could also change it by pressing the color picker here and then sliding it along until you find the right color that you want. You can then change the avatar. So I've currently got the bunny selected, which you can see here at the top right, but you could change it to any one of these other cute avatars available. I'm going to change it to the elephant, and then as you can see, that has changed up in the top for us. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, it means so much to us. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.